Hello Lands, this is your Aquatics water project research video helper. You're going to go to readylibrary.com. You're going to scroll down so you see the Aquatics water project. You're going to click on that. Your Mac and Via group is linked here. This video helper will be linked here and embedded down here. You're going to be able to click on the click here, and this will open up your Mac and Via group for this project. Your assignment sheet / choice board is linked here. So this is where your Mac and Via group is linked, and this video helper will be linked here. And then these are your choices for this project. It is a tic-tac-toe board, so you are going to either go direction across, down, or diagonal to choose your projects. You're going to choose 3 activities, okay? So all the tech tools are linked in here, and if you have resources from class, you can use those, but I also put together this Mac and Via group for you to use as well. There are several sources in here that are strictly for images. So Britannica Image Quest, Photos for Class, Pixabay, Unsplash, Pics for Learning. These are all image sources that you can use, and you can acquire copyright-free photos to use in your assignment. Britannica Image Quest, this is a database that has copyrighted images, but we have permission for you to use them as long as you provide the citation. So since this is a science class, you will need to provide the citation. So if I type in my search term here, and I want to use one of these photos, like let's say I want to use this photo right here, okay? I have to click on Cite and choose APA because it's a science class. You guys are using APA citations, and I'm going to use this citation right here in my project, and then I'm going to use this photo right here. Alright, so that is Britannica Image Quest. The rest of these you can use without citing your source. Okay, I'm going to show you, if you are going to Google image search, there is this image right here that you can click on to see how to find an image on Google, but you do still have to cite your image, and this video right here shows you how to cite your image if you look for an image on Google. In this, there are some databases that you are going to want to use for this particular assignment. I would start with Britannica School. It's an encyclopedia. It'll give you a little bit of information about a lot of different things. So I'm going to put in my search topic here. And whenever I'm in here, if I want to use this article, I'm going to come up here to Cite, make sure that it is on APA, and then I'm going to put this into my references page. I'm going to put, I haven't before I made this video helper, but I'm going to put an APA references citation page link under here so you can keep all your citations on that and turn it in with your projects. Okay, so that I'll put there for you. Then after you do Britannica School, I would go to Science in Context or Student Resources in Context. You can try just one of them. You can try both of them for your topic. So I'm going to open this one up. Okay, I'm going to put in my topic. So this is just an overview of the topic right here. You can click this read more if I want to see the overview. Over here are going to be the various sources that are types of sources that are in here. So there's 3 articles under featured content. There's 24 reference articles. There's statistics. There's images. There's video. There's audio. There's news, academic journals, magazines, websites, etc. Okay. So depending on where you go in here, this is one of the databases where you can sign in with Google and download your articles directly to Google if you want. But I'm just going to click on one of these reference sources. So let's say I want to use this source. I can sign in with my Google account and send it to Google Drive, but I'm definitely going to want to click on Citation Tools and grab my APA citation, which is right here, and put this in my references page. Okay. So you can use either science in context or student resources in context. If you want to use any of these ebooks, you'll see that anything with this little book symbol, these are ebooks. If you want to use any of these, you can, let's just click on this one. You can open it to access it, and you will see here, table of contents is right here, okay? And then if I'm going to use this in my, if I'm going to use any of the information, I'm going to click on the Cite button there, and then I'm going to copy and paste this APA citation into my references page. So all I did was click on the I, click on the Cite, and then copy and paste the APA, okay? You should be able to use these resources to get the information you need for your project. If you have any questions or there's something you can't find, please feel free to let me know. You can email me at lamberton@friscoisd.org, or you can come and see me in the library, and I will be happy to help Lions. Good luck.